Streamlined Backshop Services presents a brief demonstration of a custom-made sound card featuring an Atlas 40-foot wood reefer and equipped with a Soundtraxx TSU-750 Tsunami micro sound decoder. The decoder features the EMD 645 prime mover. Just for fun, we brought out the meter again. And on this particular unit, again, we're reading about 42 decibel at 10 foot on the prime mover, with spikes of 45 to 50 on the horn. There's the mute function. At the meter, we're reading over 60 decibel in the horn and almost 50 on the prime mover, so this little guy's got a lot of sound to it.